Hey, good evening. Can you speak English?
Uh, yeah, I can.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Linda.
Okay, Linda. How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Okay. What is your job?
I am a student.
Okay, good. Where do you study Khmer?
I study Khmer at Uncle Trade Private School.
Okay. What grade do you study Khmer?
I study Khmer in grade 6.
Okay. Do you study English?
Yeah, I can.
Do you study
Yeah,
English?
I do.
Okay, yeah, I do. Yeah, good. Where do you study English?
I study English at Lihu International School.
Okay. What grade do you study English?
I study English in grade 1.
Okay. What is your teacher's name?
Her name is Sao Pia.
Okay. How long do you study English?
I study English around 1 year
Why do you study English?
because I want to have a good job.
Okay, good. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Okay, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Cambodia.
Cambodia. Lida, okay. Where do you live?
I live in the Lak village, Angkor Thret, Khmer Svanto, district Prey Veng Province.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.